Hello, welcome to my channel. I have a question on this geometry of parallel lines here. It says find angles X and Y below. Now, it is very easy for us to find angle Y, but X is a bit more challenging. So now, if you look at this line here, this is a straight line. This is also a straight line. So if this is angle 45, that means this angle here will also be 45. And what is the reason? That vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So that means this place is 45, this angle is 45. So this is a triangle. I have these three angles in the triangle. So sum of angle in a triangle add up to 180. So y plus 45 plus 65, everything should sum up to 180, sum of angle in a triangle. So I'm going to have y 45 plus 65 will give me 110 is equal to 180. So that y will be equal to 180. When this positive 110 goes to that side, it becomes negative 110. So finally, I have the value of y as 70 degrees. 180 minus 110 is 70 degrees. So the value of y is 70 degrees. That is simple. Now let's go to x, which is more challenging. Now, if you look at this, we already know the value of y as 70 degrees. We are looking for x. But I think we can find this angle here because this sum of angle at a point. So looking at this point here, with this full angle round that point, sum of angle at a point is 360. So if this is 95, then this remaining angle will simply be 360 minus 95. And that will give me 265 degrees. So that means this angle here is 265 degrees. Now, when you look at two parallel lines like this parallel line and this is a parallel line. So I have an angle here. You have two lines coming to make another angle at the center between the parallel lines now. So if you have an angle here along with the parallel line, you have the angle that is made at the center, and then you have the third angle along the parallel lines too, within the parallel lines. And then these three angles now should sum up to 360. So that's the simple rule that we're going to apply there. So when you have parallel lines like this, take note of this simple rule. So y plus this 265 plus angle x should give us 360. Take note of that rule. So when you have parallel lines like that, these inner angles between the two parallel lines, the three of them add up to 360. So I'm simply going to say y, which is already 70. So this angle is 70y plus this one, which is 265. And then plus x, which is what we are looking for. Everything should sum up to 360 as a simple rule to apply. So 70 plus 265 will give me 335. So plus x is equal to 360. So in order to get the value of x, I'm simply going to say x will be equal to 360 minus 335. When this positive value goes to that side, it becomes negative. So 360 minus 335 will simply give me x as 25 degree, and that is the answer for x. So I have the value of y as 70 and the value of x as 25, and this gives me the final answer. So please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.